Hello, Chantilly Rising Juniors. Now, when it comes to English courses for next year, you have your choice between English 11, English 11 Honors, and AP English Language and Composition. When it comes to English 11, you are focusing, surprise, on reading and writing skills, most of which are taken care of in class with teacher supervision, assistance, and help. English 11 Honors is a little bit more in-depth and therefore requires a little bit more homework. So reading at home goes up by a little bit. Now, both of these classes, you will have to take the Writing SOL in March and the Reading SOL in May. When it comes to English 11 and English 11 Honors, you might be wondering, what are we going to read? The focus is primarily on American literature and the time periods that support that literature. All right. Now, when it comes to AP English Language and Composition, as the note would suggest, it's an English class that is advanced placement, which means you are taking the AP exam in May and the SOL reading in May, but you don't have to take the SOL writing in March. So, when it comes to AP English Language and Composition, I can tell you right now, teaching it, that the focus is less on American literature and more so on American arguments, conversations, at least for the most part. We do look at some arguments that are a bit international. But nonetheless, the real focus is on argument, both crafting argument and analyzing other people's arguments. Hence, why we don't have to take necessarily the March Writing SOL, because the AP English Language and Composition exam takes care of that writing plenty. Now, as one would expect with an AP class, you can expect anywhere between hour to maybe 2.5, 3 hours a week when it comes to the homework, most of which is going to be reading, but there will occasionally be some longer recursive, as in revise and edit writing projects available to you. Okay? Now, that said, should you happen to have any questions, feel free to swing by for the in-person electives fair to chat more about your options when it comes to English 11 next year. Otherwise, hope to see you around the school, and if not, definitely see you in AP English Language next year.